it going? So this week I'm actually going to dive into doing my at-home hair tutorial. You've been asking about how I've been styling my short hair, what I'm using. I'll put the link at the bottom for the product I'm using today, which is going to be the American Crew Forming Cream. I know you guys know that I do a lot of work with them and I really enjoy their products. So let's get into it. It's like right when you get out of the shower, I like when the hair is not exactly wet, but it's actually more damp. And I'll explain why in a second. Always remember to pat dry your hair. Don't ever do this. It's actually pretty damaging to your hair. But what I like to do is have it somewhat damp the way it is now, because whenever you're using pomade with short hair, it makes it more pliable. It's easier to apply the product. So that's the reasoning behind that. When it comes to short hair, the haircut is everything. If you have a good haircut, you're not gonna have a hard time. Well, number one, you're not gonna use a lot of product. Number two, it's already going to look pretty good even just getting out of the shower, because it's already been maintained and everything. Longer hair, that's a totally different story, but for short hair, that's one easy thing you have about keeping short hair. So, all right, you wanna do about, I say like a dime size, goes a long way, and that's pretty good. It's a way to base it. So I always work it in, and I don't like having the product directly on my skin. I'm sure throughout the day I probably sweat and I ends up getting on there, but if I put it directly on there, it'll irritate my skin. So, and what I like to do as well is on the haircut, always make sure you get it textured like this. If you want to create like a buildup, if you follow your jawline up and it comes out like this, I like to have mine built out just a bit. And another thing, whenever in the shower, I always make sure that I shampoo the sides. The product, and I keep the product off of the sides. If you get product on the sides, let's see if I can demonstrate it. You're gonna be going out, and it's gonna look like your hair's already dirty. So shampoo the sides every time. On the top, I actually like to shampoo it probably every 2 showers. I will shampoo my hair. I always condition it on top, but the sides I like super clean all the time, and the top it'll add a little bit more texture, and the product actually will help enhance it even more. And that's one of my tricks I use to get this type of look. And this is more about texture than anything with it, and having, like I said, a good, clean, crisp haircut. I want to let you know that I do actually, and I have been cutting my hair at home. I know a lot of us are still stuck at home, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I do use guards at home. It's really difficult to cut your hair without guards on your own. Clipper over comb, it's kind of out of the question for me. So I'll show you how I actually use mirrors. You can have 2 side mirrors, and you pretty much can practice, and I'm going to show you a way that you will not mess up your hair if you follow along. And I'm not responsible if you don't follow along. Anyways, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll see you guys next week.